Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming basic connectivity and account state because the App Store refuses connections when these are inconsistent. First, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular off and on, then reconnect to a known stable network. This clears temporary DHCP/DNS problems. Next, make sure date and time are set to automatic so TLS certificates validate. Finally, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID in Settings, iTunes, and App Store. This forces credential refreshes and often resolves authorization errors. Once your account and basic network are correct, apply deeper fixes that address persistent glitches. Reset network settings to remove corrupted Wi-Fi profiles and VPNs. Note this forgets saved passwords, so have them ready. Check for the latest compatible iOS for your 5s and install it to resolve protocol incompatibilities. Then clear the App Store cache by tapping a bottom navigation tab 10 times. This forces a UI reload and reattempts connections without a full reboot. Finish by restarting the iPhone to ensure all changes take effect. Then open the App Store and try again. If problems persist, test using a different Wi-Fi or a phone hotspot to determine whether the issue is ISP related. As a last resort, back up your device and perform a restore via iTunes or Finder, which reinstalls system components and often fixes deep software corruption. If you still can't connect, the key tip: check for router DNS blocking or ISP filtering as an external cause and try public DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.